This video takes its theme from spring and everything that is happening outside. The song is Crickle Crackle. Crickle crackle goes the little egg today. Crickle crackle goes the little egg today. What's inside? Open and you'll find. Clickle clackle goes the little egg today. Would you tap the beak and listen again? Crickle crackle goes the little egg today. Crickle crackle goes the little egg today. What's inside? Open and you'll find. Crickle crackle goes the little egg today. I have an egg. It looks like a ladybug. What's inside? Something is making a shaky sound. Crickle crackle goes a little egg today. Crickle crackle goes a little egg today. What's inside? Open and you'll find. Crickle crackle goes a little egg today. I also have my maraca shaky egg on a stick. That's a fun. How do those sounds compare? I also have this shaker. It's quieter. That's loud. Do you have any shakers at your house? You might not have any that look like this, but you might have some that look like this. Or some that look like this. Or maybe a shaker box. Maybe even nuts in a jar. Go find a shaker. Did you bring your shaker? All right, let's sing again and we'll shake together. Crickle crackle goes a little egg today. Crickle crackle goes a little egg today. What's inside? Open and you'll find. Crickle crackle goes a little egg today. All right, you keep shaking and singing and I will accompany us on the barred instrument. Ready, go. Crickle crackle goes the little egg today. Crickle crackle goes the little egg today. What's inside? Open and you'll find. Crickle crackle goes the little egg today. I hope you enjoyed that. Now there is a fun shaky game that you could play. If you have any of these eggs floating around your house, you could fill them with mystery items and shake them and have someone guess what's inside. Let's practice. What's your guess? What do you think's in there? Oh, it stopped shaking. There. Let's see. It's another egg! Now I have 2 eggs. I wonder if there's anything in this one. It sounds like something is in there. What do you think? Let's open it and find out. It's another egg. Now I have 3. I wonder what's in this one. Let's open it and find out. Oh, nothing. Just air. You could put some popcorn in the shaky egg and see what it sounds like, or rice, or Legos, or rocks from your driveway, and play this guessing game with your family members. If you don't have any of these eggs handy, you can play the same game using toilet paper tubes that are empty, or an empty spice container, or a little Tupperware that normally you carry your snacks around in. Anything with a lid that is small. Okay. Experiment. Do the items sound the same no matter what you put them in. If you put rocks from your driveway in a toilet paper tube, does it sound the same as in a baby food jar? Does that sound the same as a plastic tub? Does that sound the same as putting them in a Ziploc bag and shaking them? Do some experiments and see what shaking sounds you can come up with. Our next song is the Jennie Jenkins folk song. I will be reading it and sharing the pictures with you. Oh, will you wear white, oh my dear, oh my dear, oh, will you wear white, Jennie Jenkins? That's Jennie. She's the bird in the tree. I won't wear white, for the color's too bright. I'll buy me a foldy-roldy, diddly-toldy, seek-a double roll. Jennie Jenkins roll. Oh, will you wear red, oh my dear, oh my dear, oh, will you wear red, Jennie Jenkins? I won't wear red, it's the color of my head. I'll buy me a foldy-roldy, diddly-toldy, seek-a double roll. Jennie Jenkins roll. Here's the next friend visiting, a blue jay. Oh, will you wear blue, oh my dear, oh my dear, oh, will you wear blue, Jennie Jenkins? I will wear blue if your love is true. I'll buy me a foldy-roldy, diddly-toldy, seek-a double roll. Jennie Jenkins roll. Here's the next visiting bird, a hummingbird. Oh, will you wear green, oh my dear, oh my dear, oh, will you wear green, Jennie Jenkins? I won't wear green, it's a shame to be seen. I'll buy me a foldy-roldy, diddly-toldy, seek-a double roll. Jennie Jenkins roll. Oh, I think that's a mourning dove. Oh, will you wear purple, oh my dear, oh my dear, oh, will you wear purple, Jennie Jenkins? I won't wear purple, it's the color of a turtle. I'll buy me a foldy-roldy, diddly-doldy, seek-a double roll. Jennie Jenkins roll. Oh, a crow. Will you wear black, oh my dear, oh my dear, oh, will you wear black, Jennie Jenkins? I won't wear black, it's the color of my sack. I'll buy me a foldy-roldy, diddly-toldy, seek-a double roll. Jennie Jenkins roll. Ooh, all the friends want to know, what will you wear, oh my dear, oh my dear, oh, what will you wear, Jennie Jenkins? I've nothing to wear and I can't go anywhere. I'll buy me a foldy-roldy, tiddly-toldy, seek-a double roll. Jennie Jenkins roll. Why can't she go anywhere? Oh, do you see all her new chicks? She had all those little baby birdies, and she gave each one of them a ribbon that her friends had given her. How nice. Well, I hope you spend some time outside looking for baby birds. Don't touch them, but definitely look for them and listen for them. Have a wonderful day.